How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can add text in the Creality Slicer. Of course, the first thing that you want to do is to add a primitive shape. So I'm going to be adding a cube right here, and I'm also going to be adding another one just to demonstrate to you the different purposes of the text tool. From there, of course, you can edit the shape the way you want to. So in my case, I'm going to be editing it this way. And of course, to proceed, you then want to select the objects that you want to put the text into. In my case, I'm going to be putting it onto this cube. You then want to press on the T button, which will then is a shortcut to the text function, or you can just press the text button at the top of our screen right here. But basically, after pressing on Z, it will then show up like this one. And of course, you can then adjust the text the way you want to. In my case, I'm going to put something like GOG or GTG, which is guide to everything. And of course, in here, you have your font, the height, depth, and more. Now in here you have your operation as a joint. Basically, it will join the shapes together, which is the main shape and the text shape. In here you can also cut into it. So what this means is that it will dig deep into the shape itself and it will not emboss the text right here. So from there, basically after making a few adjustments to the text itself and you cannot edit the text for some reason, what you want to do is to click on the objects option on this specific tab right here, and then you will be able to see your shape. So in our case, it's going to be merged from the cube shape that we have, and then we have our main cube, and then we have our text right here. So you want to click on it and press T once again, and it will open up the text editor right here. So basically, you want to edit this the way you want to. In my case, I'm going to be adding it onto my shape right here. And basically, I want to emboss it even a little bit further, maybe something like 3.0 mm. Now from there, basically, you have put the text right here. And so if you have a cylinder shape like this one, and maybe you want to edit your text like this, the way that you can make your text wrap around the shape itself is to, of course, first things first, clicking on it, and then you want to open up the advanced setting, and you want to make sure to use the surface for this specific shapes like this one, so it will wrap around the shape itself, as you can see right here. And so guys, of course, you can edit this, you can edit out the colors, you can edit out some other aspects, and basically that's it. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. And as always, thanks for watching.